Hello and welcome. I am Padmini Dhruvraj from the New Indian Express and you're watching Business Unboxed, where we take the hottest topics from finance, economy and business and break them down to you. The Union Budget 26-27 has announced several changes that directly impact the prices of everyday goods and services. Some things get cheaper while some things get costlier. So first, let's look at what gets cheaper. Starting off, overseas travel and sending money abroad becomes cheaper. So if you're traveling overseas using a tour package, you will now pay less tax upfront. The government has reduced tax collected at source or TCS on overseas tour packages to 2%, down from earlier rates that went up as high as 20%. Similarly, if you're sending money abroad for education or medical treatment, the TCS rate under the liberalized remittance scheme has also been cut from 5% to 2%. Secondly, to provide relief to patients, especially those undergoing cancer treatment, the government has removed basic custom duties on 17 cancer medicines and expanded duty exemptions for medicines used to treat rare diseases. Thirdly, a range of import-related changes have been announced to support manufacturing, energy, security, and ease of living. So the goods imported for personal use will now attract 10% custom duty, down from 20%. Specified parts used to manufacture microwave ovens have been exempted from basic custom duty. Capital goods used for processing critical minerals in India will now attract zero customs duty. Additionally, capital goods used for lithium-ion cells manufacturing, including battery storage systems, continue to enjoy duty exemptions. Inputs used for solar glass manufacturing, such as sodium antimonate, will now attract zero duty, and aircraft manufacturing and maintenance get relief through exemptions on specified components and raw materials. Further, imports required for nuclear power projects will remain duty-free till 2035, and fish caught by Indian fishing vessels in international waters has been made fully duty-free. Fourthly, to promote cleaner energy, the government has excluded the entire value of biogas while calculating excise duty on biogas blended CNG. This effectively lowers the tax burden on greener fuel blends. And lastly, exporters in textiles, leather garments, footwear and leather products will now get 1 year instead of 6 months to export finished goods after importing inputs duty-free. This provides much needed breathing space for exporters facing global demand uncertainties. Now let's see what gets costlier. The government has tightened rules for tax misreporting. If a taxpayer wants immunity from penalty and prosecution in misreporting cases, they will now have to pay an additional 100% of the tax amount over and above the tax and interest. Secondly, trading in derivatives will now cost more. Security Transactions Tax or STT on futures has been increased from 0.02% to 0.05%, while STT on options has been raised to 0.15%. This will increase transaction costs for frequent traders. And lastly, selling alcoholic liquor, scrap and minerals will now attract 2% TCS, which is higher for sellers who were earlier paying 1%. So these are the key price and tax related changes announced in the Union Budget 26-27. Thank you for watching Business Unboxed.